Hello! Today I will be providing you with a brief overview of how to use Canva. So first, open up your preferred internet browser. Mine is Safari. I already have it opened up. And in the search bar, type in canva.com. And it should bring you to this page. If you don't have an account yet, you'll click this teal button right here. And you'll have to fill in a couple of lines of information about yourself, and then it will create your account. If you already have an account like me, you'll click this white button and type in your login information, which I have saved. So I want to create a new account, so I'm going to come here and scroll through the options to see what I want to present. I want something that will allow my students to come up to the board and work on. So I'm going to click on this document one. Now on the sidebar they have all kinds of different templates I can use. So I'm going to pick one that I like. This one's nice. I like the colors. So we're going to drag and drop. Now, all of this, if we don't like it, we can throw it away. I'm going to change the text right here to say what I need it to say. My class will be doing a comparison and contrast between two characters from Wuthering Heights. So, I don't need this text right here, so I'm going to get rid of that. And I don't need this text either, so I'm going to get rid of that also. It's all very user-friendly. I don't want this car here, so I'm going to click it and press the garbage can. I don't want this either, so I'm going to press the garbage can as well and delete the group. So I want a Venn diagram, so I'm going to go to Elements and I'm going to scroll down to Charts and click All and see what they have. They have all kinds of different diagrams and charts that I can use. I think I like this one. And we can customize all the different elements of this. We can change the font color, we can change the colors of these circles. I'm going to change this one to gray. And change the middle to white. Now I want to make this bigger. All very simple to use. I want to center this text, so I'm going to do that up here. Now I need to label what is on each side of the Venn diagram. So I'm going to go to Text and click Add a Heading, and I'm going to type in the information right there, and I can change the font if I want. I like this font right there. I could change the color of the font. Move that right there. Then I'll add my second person and put them over here. And there we go. That's all I need. So, and as you can see, all the changes are saved automatically. And now I want to download this onto my computer so I can display it on my interactive whiteboard and have my students come up and fill in the Venn diagram. So what I'm going to do is click this button right here, and it tells me the recommended type of file I should download it in. But if I don't want to do that, I have all these other options, but I'm going to stick with the recommended one. Then I'm going to click download, and it's going to take a little minute. That was very quick. And it's all downloaded right here. Nice and big. I can display it on my interactive whiteboard and have my class participate in the lesson. So if you're still unsure about some elements of Canva, you can go to the home page, and in the sidebar they have a tab called Design School. So if you click on that, it will take you to this page that has videos on how to use Canva. It even has interactive tutorials and design courses. So, all very useful resources. So, I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.